Why does your scanner show the P084C engine code? What does it mean? P084C is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor, or switch H circuit low. The P084C OBD2 error code means your vehicle's computer has detected that the transmission fluid pressure sensor, or switch H circuit, has an abnormally low voltage. This indicates a disruption in the hydraulic pressure feedback loop needed for smooth transmission gear shifting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: corroded connectors, low transmission fluid, dirty or old fluid, faulty PCM or TCM, rare, damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda, Toyota, Jeep, Chevrolet, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.